Right, so today's job, you can't really see much, but we're that's obviously next door, mucky old stone, and this is painted stone. We're going to get this paint off. All that gable's painted, but he's going to, I think he's rendering this or putting some sort of insulation on it, but he wants these showing, so that's not a problem. That header, usually that's half a header's, half of theirs, but it's all painted, so we're going to end up taking that off. And what they've done, they've ended up putting a line from that header, which this bit's next to us, so it's going to look like I'm encroaching on this stone when I put that line up, but obviously I've got to take paint off, and it's just had new windows fitted and all, so that's just made things a little bit trickier, but it is what it is. That's stone bottom, and got this bit here. Oh, that comes in handy. Nice straight line there. So well, yeah, that'll do me lovely. Just going to unclip them wires a bit later on. And somebody's been, because he's had scaffolding up, somebody's been and nicked all his bleeding lead work off at top of the window. Unbelievable. But anyway, I'm going to get this blasted back. It's just aesthetics this time, it's not causing damp. Oh, I don't think it's causing damp, they're just having it done because it's unsightly. I'll see if I can send photos before. Got a little bit better scaffolding today. We've got some decent sheeting, they've put sheeting where it's supposed to be. Because at new windows, let me have a look what we're looking at. Because at windows and reveals so close to that window, I'm gonna I think I'm just gonna leave the reveal, because it's not worth. There's a lot of higgledy-piggledy stone, lots of different angles, so being flat brick would have been fine, but it's because there's lots of different angles, you've only to hit one of them and not concentrate quite enough, and then splash off of that's going to bounce in it window. But if I keep it faces, it'll be fine. Put a few bins out just to slow people down a little bit. Just try and slow them down from walking up and down, but yeah, well, can't advance that. It's a steep hill, so I've had to try and chock it up. Handbrake's not that good. Okay, we'll let that warm up for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and then we'll make a start.
Quite tricky because I can't see paint coming off right good. Oh, that's water. And just have to turn water up a bit just so it bleeds it through. I thought I'd done that. Turn it down a little bit. scaffolding stuck in there and all. I did have to put scaffolding not to touch stone. I need to try and get behind it best I can. Why would they put that touch in that? A little bit more water. I might just have to turn my water down again. Yeah. Turn it down a little.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Scaffolders have done me in again, haven't they? I put that on that sill. Bullet sill that I could probably get and all, make a nice job on it. I'll just have to do it face, leave top. Yeah. I can make a nice job of that because I can finish on that line. Oh well, it is what it is. turning my pipe out.
finished off. Well, front garden. Just getting a mini digger, I think. I'm getting it all cleared out anyway, so can't even see, can we? Let's just give it a bit of shot for you. I don't fancy getting up on scaffolding. If I'm driving past one day I might just get a photo for you. Well, that's it done. Let me see if I can get... Right, I'll catch you on next, and if you liked it, stick a thumbs up for us.